The following motion picture depicts invasive pest blades getting exterminated by PCP BB rifles. So don't watch this following production if you're easily offended by these types of activities. What's happening, boys and girls and airgun hunters out there in YouTube land? It's the King Starlink Terminator and world record title holder, championship belt wearing extraordinaire, coming at you live right here. Anyway, starting to get a little bit cold out here, so all them invasive pest bleeds and intruders are starting to roost in all the barns around here and buildings and structures. So me being an airgun PCP sniper and marksman that I am, got a couple homies that are starting to have some starling and feral pigeon invasions up inside all their structures. So might as well go out there and do my thing and have some fun with my PCP terminating equipment, and at the same time bust out on some community service. So I'll just tell you guys real quick, I'll throw up some footage from a couple recent trips out on them invasive pest blades, and then I'll just show you guys the equipment that I was using so that you'll know what you'd be looking at when you'd be watching it. So first rifle I took out this season was this G1 with the Army Blue G-Tac stock kit on it. It's running a 300cc carbon bottle with the aftermarket reg conversion, and it's kicking 1800 psi on the reg. We got an adjustable hammer spring so that we can fine-tune the velocity from there depending on the projectile, and then running the Wiener Dog LDC up front, and then this particular unit here has got a 3-12 Vector Veyron scope on there, running the M-Lock bipod on here, and this gives me probably over 200 shots per feel. And we were running Cro-Magnums. Oh, I tried two pellets, the 13 grain redesigns, and then the Cro-Magnums 8.8 grain. So yeah, they both require different tunes. That's why it's good to have the aftermarket adjustable hammer spring if you got a Gauntlet 1 that didn't come with it. So yeah, this thing's deadly accurate with those projectiles, and I usually use this PCP just by walking around with my shooting sticks. I use the Primos tripod trigger sticks that deploy with a trigger, and then you can set the height as needed for up high, down low, and then typically they just help you get real solid so that you don't have any glancing hits on them pest blades or inhumane shots. You can really just nail your point of impact on them blades with the help of these here Primos tripod trigger sticks. Not sponsored by them or nothing, but still like to use them. Anyway, the next rifle that I took out is this here 22 cal Venturi Avenger, running the all black Terminador ATAC stock. got the power plenum on there. This unit's got a 220cc bottle, and from that I was getting 95 shots per fill in 22 caliber, and the projectile that we was running was the Predator GTO. I think they're like 11.5 grain, and they were getting spit at about 910 feet per second. So on this one I'm running a Picatinny bipod mount, because the bottom of these has 6 inches of Picatinny rail. You can put an Arca Swiss adapter on there, set it up on the Predator Tactics tripod with the Arca Swiss, or just a camera tripod, or you could run a M-Lock bipod on there like that other one has. Yeah, this it's got a Discovery 4-16 powered scope. Obviously run the 1-leaf NV100 scope cam with the IR torch for night vision. That works real well. And then yeah, this setup right here is one of my favorite setups, just because of the versatility of the Avenger, being able to tune it for so many projectiles. But another piece of kit that we got this year is the Find NV200 night vision binoculars. Now these things are real cool because it's got a big LCD screen on the front, so when you're trying to pan around and scan for quarry, whether it's bunnies or you know, coyotes out in the pivots or whatever, when you're looking through your night vision scope, you know, it's a narrow field of view. The yoke will pop off of the Primo sticks, and then this will snap right in there. So now if you need to pan around the field, you have a much wider field of view and a good range. But also with the laser rangefinder, you can see how far out your quarry's at. And you don't have to have your arms getting all tired from holding this thing up in the air while you're running your coyote call or whatever. Then the last rifle that we're going to be taking out this season, I haven't taken it out in this video right here, but it's the 25 cal Avenger, running the Bumblebee colorway, gold and black, Terminador ATAC stock. This particular unit right here has a 420cc bottle, 6-24 Discovery scope, running the Wiener Dog LDC. This has got the DIY, do-it-yourself Terminator shroud shortening kit, which can get you 3 to 3.75 inches of reduced shroud length. As far as shot count for this, I'm not even sure, but 420 cc's versus the OEM 180, it's going to be a lot of shots. So depending on what projectile and what tune you're running. But yeah, this thing's real good setup. It's nice and short. It's easy to pack around. And then on all of these setups, we're running the Terminator barrel harmonics reduction grommets inside the shrouds, and that improves our accuracy and point of impact reliability in combination with the heavy duty barrel bands that we run. So that's what's keeping everything real accurate and allowing us to put real good shot placement to ethically put them quarries down. So yeah, check out this footage. Let me know what you think in the comments. It's gonna be feral pigeons, starlings. And we'll catch yous all on the next one. So in this first segment, it's the Gauntlet 177 G1 with JSB redesigned 13 grain. Then this next segment is the same rifle, Gauntlet 177 with Crow Magnum 8.5 grain. Then in this last segment, it's a Venturi Avenger 22 cal running Predator GTOs, 11.5 grain. Well, there's my 2 siders, and then there's my 3 shots. Just got 2 in the same hole there, and then the 3rd one right there. So I'd say she's ready to bust some Starlink heads. Double tap. Pigeons.